I'm hurt and I feel eliminate. I feel eliminate. I feel left out, Riri. Why did you do this? Like, you could have told me that he was pregnant for ASAP Rocky. I would just could have understand stuff. But the internet is laughing at me right now. And this is what I'm talking about. We could have talked about stuff, Riri. Then I wake up this morning and I see everybody posting that you are pregnant. This is unfair. I don't like the neglection that's going on. We could have talked about this, Riri. I don't know what to do right now. I'm so frustrated. I'm mad at you. You hurt me bad.
Jano, you know it's a real dog, a idiot. Big idiot. Anyway, you know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Topics that we are going to be discussing in this video. 2 young girls participated in Shenseea's lick competition. The CPFSA investigate after viral video showing the girls in a very compromising position. Jada Kingdom finally broke her silence. Illegal taxi operator involved in a dangerous chase that almost ended in tragedy. You don't want to miss this story. Listen to some music and when we return, it's time for the breakdown.
She want rich nigga, young millionaire, 9-10 figure, money fi enough like here, yeah. Yeah, you have to have the rich walk. Stop your crap chat, you have to make your talk.
Made a figure bust like Jada Kingdom. Bang, you're gonna bust like this without a tweeter. In a drugs money, me do me investment like a barita. Dago, you so don't like you no listen to no teacher. Me nah go play like game, come here no mini militia.
Them last team, say them a running, but we tell them go and dream. We outside, them gone in. And me alone, I me no need no team.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, the photograph that you're seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of the video that went viral involving 2 underage girls participating in Shenseea's new lick challenge on TikTok. In the video that have now gone viral, the girl in the red can be seen with 1 foot on the ground and the other one above her head while she's still standing. The one in the blue then stoops down, sticks her tongue out, then pretend to lick the child in the red vagina. All of this going on while Shenseea's lick featuring Megan Thee Stallion was playing in the background. And for those who are watching right now and thinking to themselves, Chaddy, play the video now? No, I am not going to share that video on any of my social media websites. And I even take it a step further by blurring out the child's face. So people, if you don't happen to get this video, please just delete it. If you see it on social media, just ignore it, please. And you might say, but Chaddy, you're hypocrite car right now. You're talking about the video right now. I am only talking about this video because the CPFSA, that is a Child Protection and Family Services Agency, are searching for the parent of this child. And normally videos like these are encouraged not to be shared because it involves children. Social media went on a frenzy and they started to blame Shenseea for the incident. And I'm going to read some comments for you. One person said, "A Shenseea caused this." Another person said, "But when Lady Saw speaks the truth on the music going too far and being a bad influence, the whole country goes on attack." A next person wrote in defense of Shenseea, "Shenseea is not to be blamed. These people caught up by social media, TikTok, they did that off their own for like and views. The person behind that camera need a F box. Point of correction though, it didn't look like someone was actually videoing it. From the video that I saw, I don't know if there's another video out there, but from the video that I saw, it would appear as if they placed it on a tripod or something and then made the video themselves. This person tagged Ramesh and Shenseea and said, address this now. Then another person replied to that comment and said, not their fault. Parents responsible for their kids. Then the person replied back to that comment with this. Children live what they learn. That lift up foot and lick is in the damn video. The kids see the video. You never hear it takes a village to raise a child. Ever wonder why? Because children are not only influenced by their parents, but by what they see others do. So people, I don't really want to elaborate on this or pick a side or say the parents and the music and this and that. What I can say though, parents need to monitor their kids. And sometimes we go too hard with some of the songs them we are promote and stuff like that. But you don't want to tell an artist that them can't sing about that and them can't free to express themselves. In this day of social media, yo, may I tell you the truth? Let me left it right there. So, one thing I am going to read before I go. I did a quick search on Google just to find out what age group is mostly on TikTok, and this is what I found out. Roughly 50% of TikTok's global audience is under the age of 34, with 32.5% aged between 10 and 19. 41% of TikTok users are aged between 16 and 24. And I must add that this stats is based in the US. So I should think that Jamaica is not far off. Anyway, people, tell me what you think about this topic and we have to move on because we have more to discuss. Jada Kingdom Twitter fingers was very active yesterday. Jada Kingdom take it to Twitter to, make a ton of tweets aiming at Minister Marian. Now I'm not gonna read out all of them, but me definitely I gonna read out some of the juicy ones. The F some rusty, irrelevant old girl feel like. Must you want me give her testimony for share next Sunday. Just make we fight and you see how weak me really be. Cause Spice and the rest of them are ramp with you. You just a look a getaway if you come back in the industry. But for the what do? Clash? Hello. I will literally laugh. With you was one of the most slackest artists on the land. Now you claim say you change. Make you not go one side and go on about your ways. And the last tweet when I go read say, them should have baptized you in a coconut water. Laugh face. And I guess what Jada Kingdom is trying to say right there, ladies are art dirty. And you know the Jamaican saying go. Once your art dirty, we wash it off with coconut water. So what Jada Kingdom is still trying to say, the whole of ladies are dirty. So better she just go take a wash off in a coconut water. Anyway, we're going to move on. Tell me what you think about all of this in the comment section. Now this video that I am about to play, Jesus peace. People, I could bring the story at here right now in a different format, at different settings. Everybody in that car the way I see on your screen right now could have did. So I don't know what the taxi man did, but police are run down the taxi man. It is an illegal taxi, people. So the police have no knowledge that this car was actually a taxi running what you call in Jamaican terms robot. Now police are run down the taxi and the people in the taxi are scream out, a ball out. I say, yo, stop, pull over. The taxi man not talk, the taxi man not say nothing. It was about 2 minutes into the video, the taxi man decided to pull over after the police that was chasing the taxi fire some shot. I don't know where the police fired the shot, if the police fired the shot after the car, or maybe the police fired the shot in the ear. But watch this video and comment in the comment section and let me know if you ever been in a situation similar to this one where police is chasing a vehicle and the driver wouldn't stop. Primarily a taxi, cause people, quite frankly, incidents like these do happen often, especially in the corporate area.
Bad man, you have people like me, I can't be for you. Hey, the man lit down the back. Brother, man lit down all the bike, man, the man in silver, my brother. You know how much key I man make crash them? Key na you. People like in that car.
How much are we?
All the police are shoot off and you can come and people in a bomb buckle at car. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Baba don't say, yeah. Baba don't say, yeah.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. People, the taxi man, they're wicked. Would I advise the people to just take red plate taxi? That is a legal taxi in Jamaica. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and one way Any other way are the wrong way. I'm gone.